Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and yes, I am back at Honeybee Stamps with a little Honeybee Stamps haul. Alrighty, let's get started. So as you can see, I ordered another one of the ink stand. I ordered the one for the mini cubes, and then I ordered one more. So this is the one for the full-size Distress ink and Distress oxide with the magnet. This one doesn't have a magnet because, I assume because it's holding all four one time. So let's take a look into this because I was just like, all right, so this is my Altenew ink. And the Altenew inks for ink blending for flowers and such go in color families like this. They'll have light to dark. So that's perfect for this type of thing. And see, now if I pop these out here and I start mixing up my covers, this is in the same family, but guess what? I can easily mix it up. So in this instance, I can do this, well, this, and this. And then I take out my little lid like so. Ooh, tight. Hold on. There we go. Pop it in like so. Oh, this is so cute. Like so. And then I'm ready to ink blend, do all my stenciling with flowers and all that good stuff, and I'm off to the races with that. That's adorable. So as you can see, it can fit Altenew. Now let's say I wanted to mix it up with Pinkfresh Studio, because really love their inks too, but like if I had to choose between the two, I think I'd go with the Pinkfresh, to be honest with you guys. But theirs are nice too. It's just a different type of color family. I really like the whole Pinkfresh, a little bit brighter. These are more muted, so it depends on what you're looking for. And as you can see, I do have both. So there, that now is me fitting in the Pinkfresh. Let me put this aside because I just want to show you that it can fit all the brands of cube inks. Now let's go into my, see how I have my, but on the Distress ink, at least I can know what is what. So here I could do the Barn, Wilted Violet, see? And then you can mix and match and do your ink blending and all that good stuff, or your stenciling with your, you know, layering up stencils and with flowers, seeing that, you know, Pinkfresh Studio really has that down to a science now. And Altenew too. They're really, you know, making it easier for us to achieve that. So I had to get this. I couldn't help it. I saw it was available. If it is sold out, just click to be notified on Honeybee, because at least on Honeybee you can use Afterpay, and they seem to restock this thing much quicker than other places, okay? But I'm liking it. Oh, let me give you a measurement of it. It's not big. This is not big. It is 9 3/4 by 3 1/2. So you could have it right here on your surface, have your stencil down here and work. And it does have little feet, so not sliding. See the camera shaking, but it's not sliding. Yeah, non-slip. This one now has the magnet, so I could do 1 2 3 4 all magnetized together to give you the same effect of this, where you would have 4 side by side. And I forgot to tell you guys, it does have little feet. So see, not moving. Cute. And I had to get another one of those. So that's 2. And now let's get into what I did get from Honeybee along with those. I like these little cards, you know. You guys can color this. I believe, I haven't tried it with Copics, but these are the cards that they send, you know, thank you for your support. You can color them. I would probably use pencils. Did they say you could watercolor it? Not 100% sure. Alrighty, so this is what I got. I got this fruit stamp set. So yes, I got a lemon from My Favorite Things. Then I got this whole fruit. What is it called? Freshly Picked. This is not on sale, but coordinating die and stencil is on clearance at scrapbook.com. Yes, I will link it below. So in Honeybee Stamps, the coordinating die and stencil is not on clearance, but on scrapbook.com it surely is. So I got this because I've seen this, and it was a peach. Yeah, really, really cute example, and I was like, I want to do a fruit thing. Also, I got, do I need another slimline? No. but I finally got this one. I don't know why I didn't get this one before. So I have my blanket slimline. This one is called the Eyelet Slimline. So it is scallop, but it's a much tighter scallop. And I just thought it was so cute. And it does come with these words: hello, hugs, happy, and thanks. Cute, 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 cute. Also, this is from the new release. I had it in my wish list and I was just like, okay, there's a matching apron to this. And you can use it and make a 3D apron thing. Like if you're doing, let's say you have a little tea party or some sort of get together and you want to make a 3D gift thing, you could do that. Or you could use the apron straight on like a 12 by 12 or a card. It's maybe close to an A2 size. These are the coordinating pieces, but I like the coordinating pieces. I wanted that watering can, this glove with, I guess, yeah. Wait, the glove is supposed to have a little piece, but that looks bigger than this. I gotta look at that because I knew the glove had you could do purple and then like a different color purple, but I really like this set. And there's a barbecue set to this too, where you could have the same barbecue tools, but I like the gardening set. Cute, 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 cute. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. Small little haul. Also, I did get this in my mail. This is a purchase. So this is a used stamp set, but it's a coffee one. My favorite things. As you can see, this is the All My Favorite Things label. So I bought this on eBay. Now, when you're buying on eBay, I like to, and I've mentioned this before, but I like to look that they have, you know, the packaging. If they don't have the packaging and they say it is My Favorite Things, I would contact the seller. Is this authentic My Favorite Things? Yes. Is it photopolymer stamps? How would you know it's a photopolymer stamp? Soon as you get the stamp, I would know right here by the quality, how thick it is, and the smell. I can tell it's a photopolymer stamp. But you can always ask. If they say yes, yes, and the stamp comes and it's like a weird little knockoff, oh, you can definitely contact, you know, eBay and contact the seller first. Give me a refund. This is not authentic. But, you know, I always proceed with caution with eBay. You can go with, you know, big sellers that resell My Favorite Things and other brands. Sometimes they'll have it cheaper than everywhere else. But if the price is just a bit too good to be true, like this is a $14 stamp set and it's now $1, then start asking the questions. If you get it and you're like, wait a second, and you asked, is this so-and-so? Yeah, they will refund you. And they may even tell you, all right, keep it. Because they don't want to get in trouble. They don't want to get flagged. So I did get this cute little coffee set. I think this is a retired coffee set. Coffee is always a good idea. I just enjoyed what it said and the font and the way it looked. You guys know me and my coffee lovers, coffee stuff. And the price point wasn't bad. I don't remember what it was, but it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. And I think it had the make an offer, and I made the offer and the seller said okay, but it is authentic. Nice. Oh, I don't see a name on it, but I know it's coffee. And wait, let me see. No. But I know it's a photopolymer. Alrighty, crafters, so that's my little haul. If this is sold out, put your name on a list, because these are really nice and they're just flying off the shelves. I can see why. Keep you organized. You won't lose stuff if you mix up your stuff. Yeah, very easy for me to put this on this and this on this, right? They're both green. I know, I know. That's one of the reasons why I definitely wanted the cube. So keep that in mind. Put it on a wish list. And stay crafty, my friends. So until the next video, bye.